Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today's our topic is how can equality be realized. तो इसका आंसर है नंबर 1, establishing formal equality. The first step towards bringing about equality is, of course, ending the formal system of inequality and privileges. Social, economic, and political inequalities all over the world have been protected by customs and legal systems that prohibited some sections of society from enjoying certain kinds of opportunities and rewards. Poor people were not granted the right to vote in a large number of countries. Women are not allowed to take up many professions and activities. The caste system in India prevented people from the lower castes from doing anything except manual labor. In many countries, only people from some families could occupy high positions. Attainment of equality requires that all such restrictions or privileges should be brought to an end. Number second, equality through different treatment. Sometimes it is necessary to treat people differently in order to ensure that they can enjoy equal rights. Certain differences between people may have to be taken into account. For this purpose, for instance, disabled people may justifiably demand special ramps in public spaces so that they get an equal chance to enter public buildings. Or women working in call centers at night may need special protection during the journey to and from the center so that their equal right to work may be protected. These should not be seen as infringements of equality but the enhancement of equality. Number third, affirmative action. Affirmative action is based on the idea that it is not sufficient to establish formal equality by law. When we wish to eliminate inequalities that are deeply rooted, it is necessary to take some more positive measures to minimize and eliminate entrenched forms of social inequalities. Most policies of affirmative action are thus designed to correct the cumulative effect of past inequalities. Affirmative action can, however, take many forms, from preferential spending on facilities for disadvantaged communities, such as scholarships and hostels, to special consideration for admissions to educational institutions and jobs. Thanks, dear students.